Up first this evening, a health ministry directive to boarders of Hampton School in St. Elizabeth is causing disquiet among some parents. The measure, which takes effect next week, comes at a time when a second school in the parish has had to close because of cases of the coronavirus. The details from Krista Campbell.
Sydney Pagan STEM Academy on Monday. On Wednesday, Monroe College. The two St. Elizabeth-based secondary schools having to close their doors because of confirmed cases of COVID-19. They were among the 129 schools the Education Ministry deemed fit to resume face-to-face classes in January. Monroe College, one of two boarding schools in St. Elizabeth. Now, the other boarding institution, Hampton School for Girls, is being told boarders will have to quarantine for 2 weeks if they return home. Those on quarantine will have to do their lessons online, while only day students will be allowed to have face-to-face classes. The Ministry of Health's instruction was delivered to parents during a Zoom meeting on Friday, hosted by Hampton School Principal Marvell Charlton Brown. Mrs. Charlton Brown explained that the Ministry of Health felt boarders were more likely to contract and transmit COVID-19. A parent questioned the rationale for the decision, noting that day students, particularly those who depend on public transportation, pose a greater risk to the school.
Wouldn't it be that the young ladies who are in boarding would be like in a bubble per se, because they would not be out in the general public, they are not taking public transportation? So wouldn't it be that a child who travels to school is more likely to catch the virus from, social interaction and take it to school to give a boarder?
The principal expressed the same concern. Meanwhile, the parent also questioned the return to face-to-face classes since boarders would be at a disadvantage. The Education and Health Ministries are expected to discuss the matter further next week. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.